Jesus once told a powerful story. Everyone who hears my words and puts them into practice is like a wise builder who dug deep and built his house on solid rock. When storms came, it stood strong. But the one who hears my words and ignores them is like a foolish builder who built his house on sand. It looked good at first, but when the rain fell, the floods rose, and the winds blew, it crashed down with a great fall. Life brings storms, challenges, trials, tough times. Build your life on Jesus and His teachings. Dig deep in faith, obedience, and love. Then no storm can shake you. Choose the rock today. Obey Jesus' words. Live them out daily. Your foundation